Introducing the NJ10AH Ultra Slim 12 volts Lithium Deep Cycle Battery. Compact, powerful, and designed for high performance. We will divide our presentation into 5 sections. Part 1 Product Overview. This ultra slim battery is only 60 mm wide and weighs 16.5 kilograms, fitting perfectly into tight spaces. It features versatile connections with canvas and M8 terminals, and a durable steel casing for harsh environments. Part to technical specifications. Technical specs include 12.8 volts nominal voltage, LiFePO4 chemistry, and a discharge range from -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. It's compatible with Victron chargers and solar panels, ensuring efficient charging and universal use. Part 3 Customer benefits. Enjoy space-saving design, easy installation, and high performance with over 4,000 cycles. Real-time monitoring via Bluetooth and multiple ports make this battery user-friendly and versatile. Part for market positioning. Targeting DIY enthusiasts, outdoor adventurers, and commercial fleets, this battery offers superior design, advanced technology, and comprehensive support. It's a perfect fit for modern power needs. Part 5 Conclusion. Summarizing, the NJ10AH Ultra Slim Battery is a lightweight, high-capacity solution with smart monitoring. It's positioned to meet growing demand in the outdoor and commercial markets.